How to fix email notification sound is not working in Outlook on Windows. 1. Ensure you've enabled play a sound setting in Outlook options. 2. Check notifications and action settings in Windows 11 tense. Turn on play a sound when a notification arrives. 3. Turn off Focus Assist, quiet hours. 4. Check your sound settings in Windows 11 tense. Enable allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. 5. Check new email notification and desktop mail notification settings in Windows 11 tense. 6. Create an inbox rule in Outlook by a TISPath, File Manage Rules and Alerts.